everybody, welcome back to Samsung in a Minute, the channel that trains you on your Samsung Galaxy devices in around 2 minutes. Today I'm going to show you how you can change your incoming call display from a full screen down into a mini pop-up, so this way it's not intruding on whatever application you're using. Now you can do this on a Galaxy S20, you can do it on the Galaxy Note 10, you can do it on multiple Samsung Galaxy devices, and these are the steps you'd have to take. So first off, just go inside of your phone application and then go on the very top right hand side underneath more options, and then this is where you go inside of your settings. Then you move right down over here where it says call display while using applications, and you can go from this full screen if you want it to be the entire display. You can have a regular pop-up, which this should be stock when you get it out of the box, and if you want it to take up even less space, you go to this mini pop-up. Now, as you're inside of a phone call, you'd be able to make it large, go back into full screen, but then you have this last option here, which is a way that you're able to keep calls in pop-up. After calls are answered, keep them in the pop-up menu. So it's a way that you're just able to keep it right in this one. It won't go back into full screen. So this one right here is very optional. Sometimes I do like going to that full screen, making sure I can take a look at all of my settings and everything is looking good. So I usually keep it on the mini pop-up. It's not intruding on what I'm doing. And then I also have this one turned off. But I hope you guys have liked this video. If you guys did, please give this thing a huge thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit on that subscribe button right over here. About 85% of my views come from non-subscribers. So if you do like this video, if it gave you a tip, if it helped you out, give this thing a subscribe. And if you like this video, then more than likely you also like this video. And I'll see you guys later.
I got tons of soul on my true collectible. Famous, so famous, #1 desirable. I do what I want when I want and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air. That's how I roll. I got tons of soul on my